Yes, Vita, once again, good morning. We were discussing the question answers. So we will start from the beginning part of the chapter. We have some comprehension check questions there. So kindly raise your hand, those who are ready with the answers. Who does I refer to in this story? So what is the answer to this question? Who does I refer? Yes, Bhumi Vita.
I refers to the narrator in the story, and the narrator is talking that he was still that at that time he was still a thief.
Yes, so you will say that I refers to the narrator, who is a thief in the story, who introduces himself as Hari Singh in the story. ठीक है जी. Next question is, what is he a fairly successful hand at? Fairly successful hand at, किसमें बहुत successful है? हाँ जी आंचल बेटा.
The narrator, that is the thief, had a fairly successful hand, which means that he was quite experienced in his field of theft. Thus, he used to steal money.
Yes, so
Thus, he used to steal from people.
हाँ जी, so he is fairly successful hand at robbing the people, stealing money from people, especially their employers. ठीक है ना, वो अपने employers को rob करने में काफी successful था. He would steal from them. ठीक है. हाँ जी. Next question is, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? Shivani, yes.
In return for his work, Anil would teach him how to cook and how to write his name, and he would also teach him how to write whole sentences and to add numbers.
Okay. इसके अलावा पहले सबसे पहले आपने बताना है किस चीज के बारे में. यस दिलप्रीत बेटा आप बताइए.
In return of Hari Singh's work, Anil gave him food and place to live.
यस पहले आपने बताना है कि इन रिटर्न Anil he promised to give him food and a place to live, and then later he also told him that he would teach him how to read and write. Okay. हाँ जी. Let's move on to the next comprehension check part. Yes. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? Mandeep, yes beta.
According to Hari, Anil would be not sad of the loss of money, but because loss of trust he had in Hari.
Yes, so he knew that it was definite that Anil would become sad, but the reason would not be the loss of money. It would be the loss of trust that he had on Hari Singh. ठीक है बेटा? जी. What does he say about different reactions of people when they are robbed? हाँ जी. Kindly participate करिए बेटा. सिर्फ एक hand है. Same students are willing to answer. हाँ जी, वानी बेटा, answer the question.
The different people's reaction when they are robbed is that the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance.
Yes. So here we see that how Hari Singh, he talks about his observation regarding different people's reactions when they were robbed. So he says that the greedy man shows fear, the rich show anger, and the poor they show acceptance. Take it? Ji. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? The last part of this comprehension check. Sukhdeep Kaur, answer the question. Sukhdeep.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, Anil realized that he had been robbed and gave 50 rupees note to Hari. which was still damp due to the night rain.
Yes. So when we see Anil, he offered him the 50 rupee note, offered Hari Singh the 50 rupee note. It was still wet, it was still damp. So we can assume that yes, Anil, he might have realized that he had been robbed, but he decided not to express it to Hari Singh. And this way, he wanted to give Hari Singh a chance to become a good man, a chance to change his ways of living. And thus, he wanted him to live a simple, normal life, not being a thief there. Okay? Haji. Okay, let's move on to the next question part. Yesterday, we already had discussed the question number 1. Today, we will start with question number 2. So the question is, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? So, सबसे पहला पार्ट है कि अनिल ने हरि सिंह को पुलिस को हैंड ओवर क्यों नहीं किया? डू यू थिंक मोस्ट पीपल वुड हैव डन सो? इन व्हाट वेज इज अनिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सच एम्प्लॉयर्स? हाँ जी, लेट मी हियर योर आंसर. यस आंचल, यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन.
Anil hadn't handed over Hari to the police because he realized that he knew that Hari had realized his mistake and did not want him to drag.
You are muted. Kindly unmute.
Otherwise, he would have came back and kept the money in the same place from where he had stolen it. That is why he did not surrender him to the police.
Okay. Anything else? Anybody else would like to add? आप में से और कोई कुछ ऐड करना चाहोगे? Arshpreet Singh, what is your answer to this question? Question number 2. Arshpreet Singh, kindly unmute and share your views.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Anil didn't handed over Hari Singh to the police because they were very good friends, and Anil want Hari Singh to live with him.
Change his ways, अपने रास्ते जीने के तरीके बदल ले. We can say this way. हाँ जी, और बताइए. Okay, anything else that you want to add?
Other people in this world would hand over the thief to the police because they think that they do not think like Anil.
Okay, we see that people generally don't forgive if they actually catch a thief this way, robbing them. So people in general would definitely hand him over to police. But Anil, he did not do so. So, first thing that you will explain to this question is that you will talk about that, yes, Anil, he knew everything about the theft. He knew that how Hari Singh, he would break his trust. He would steal money every day when he would bring the daily supplies. Somewhere he knew these things, right? So he just tried to keep silent. He did not want to express things to him. Because somewhere we see that Anil, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा आपको अनिल के character trait के बारे में लिखना है. That Anil, he was a good man. He was a thorough gentleman. He had human sympathy and compassion. And thus he wanted to, we can say, bring a change in Hari Singh's life. He saw that he was not a bad man. He was just a 15-year-old boy who had involved himself into the world of thievery, right? So that way he somewhere wanted to bring a change in his life. So when he said that he would teach him writing complete sentences, give him education, he saw that yes, Hari Singh was also interested in learning from him. He wanted to stay with Anil. So he saw that spark in Hari Singh that yes, a change could be brought over in him. So that's why he decided that he would not hand him over to the police. He showed sympathy, he showed kindness towards him. He wanted to give him a chance to change his ways. And that's why he did not hand him over to the police. But yes, of course, people in general, they basically, they hand over the thief to the police. They don't give them a chance. Obviously आपके घर में कोई चोर आएगा तो आप उसे पुलिस के ही हवाले करोगे, आप उसे इस तरह से मौका नहीं दोगे, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रस्ट पीपल, है ना. सो बट हम यहाँ हरि सिंह को अनिल को देखते हैं कि किस तरह से he showed his sympathy and compassion. He showed his generous nature, kindness towards Hari Singh. He wanted to give him another chance in his life so that he can change his ways. ठीक है जी. अगर हम talk about it की बात करें, we have a question here. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction or there are such people in real life? क्या आपको लगता है ऐसे लोग हकीकत में होते हैं? हाँ जी बेटा दिलप्रीत.
People like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction. Though exceptions might be there, these people are rarely found. Anil was a kind and wise person who was concerned about Hari's education and future. And Hari was a thief whose heart changes after realizing the importance of education for his future. People like these are imaginary in today's world.
Okay, ठीक है. But people like Hari Singh are there. They are not only in fiction. आज भी देखो छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी चोरी करते पकड़े जाते हैं, है ना. People are involved in such kind of acts of robbing people, stealing from them. हाँ, हरि सिंह जैसे लोग थोड़े, सॉरी अनिल सिंह जैसे लोग थोड़े कम हैं, है ना. They are rare in this world, but still ऐसा नहीं है कि these kind of people are not found. People do have compassion for others. They are large-hearted. They forgive people. So इस तरह से जस्टिफाई करोगे कि यस, जिस तरह से अनिल सिंह ने एक मौका दिया, हम देखते हैं लोग दूसरों को मौका देते हैं, और इसी वजह से ह्यूमैनिटी इज स्टिल देयर इन द वर्ल्ड. इंसानियत अभी भी लोगों में दिखती है, वो स्पार्क ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी इज स्टिल देयर. अदरवाइज इट वुड बिकम, द वर्ल्ड वुड बिकम अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्लेस टू लिव इन. And it is because of these kind of people who are there in the world that we are still living. The sympathy, the empathy could be seen in people there. We still find good people, generous one, kind-hearted people, and they work for the upliftment of humanity. They work for the betterment of the society. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे लोग बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाँ, the ratio जो इनका प्रोपोर्शन है वो बहुत कम है, रेशियो बहुत छोटा है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ऐसे लोग बिल्कुल भी नहीं पाए जाते हैं. सो डोंट गो फॉर द नेगेटिव आंसर, यू कैन राइट इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. ठीक है. So the next question is, do you think it a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? ये जो मेंशन किया है अनिल का एक स्ट्रगलिंग राइटर होना, क्या ये कोई सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट है जो अनिल के कैरेक्टर को और एक्सप्लेन करता है? Why this mention is there? Yes, Aanchal, what would you like to add here? Aanchal?
Anil was a struggling writer. Anil was a struggling writer, which is why he had to face a lot of hardships in his career, as well as his he had to face a lot of hardship in his life and his career, which is why he understood and sympathized with the struggle of other people, and probably the reason why he forgave Hari so easily and did not surrender him to the police so fast.
Yes, of course. ये जो significant mention है that he is a struggling writer, that he has no source of regular income, and that he gets money by fits and starts by writing articles for the magazines. So this way we see that yes, the mention is really significant, because somewhere we see that Anil के पास भी बहुत पैसा नहीं है ना. When he earns good money, he spends it lavishly. Somewhere he is able to relate his condition to Hari Singh, right? So his kindness is explained when the way he helps Hari Singh. So we see that how Anil, he finds Hari Singh in a position which is a little like his own. So even Hari Singh is struggling to get his meals, we can say, and on the other way we see Anil also struggling that way. So because of his circumstances, Hari Singh has chosen to become a thief in this matter. But still, he is also struggling on his own part, struggling for earning his livelihood. So here we see that, yes, Anil could relate his condition to him. And thus, the condition of Anil here, it highlights his character in a more good way, because we see that even though he is also struggling, he is also short of money, but still he shows generosity towards Hari Singh. He gives him an opportunity to change his ways, to become a good man in life. So this way the mention is significant because it shows the other side of Anil's character, which is a good, which shows that he is full of compassion, he is full of concern for others, and how he is generous in nature. So ये जो reference है ये significant है. So beta, this is all about the chapter that is the thief's story.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes beta. हाँ जी.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि जो अनिल था वो अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर पाता था हरी सिंह को पे करने को.
Yes, you can write. Somewhere he never used to pay him. He could only give him food and a place to stay at night. So that way he himself was not in a position to, we can say, have a good life, but still he managed to help Hari Singh. So this way his character is highlighted with this condition here, है ना? उसका जो behavior है, उसका attitude है, वो निखर के आता है, तो उसकी condition को compare करना जरूरी है. हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट बेटा, अगर हम बात करें इस चैप्टर में से जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, इट्स अबाउट कैरेक्टर ऑफ हरि सिंह एंड अनिल. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट हरि सिंह कैरेक्टर. सो व्हाट एलिमेंट्स यू विल ऐड टू हिज कैरेक्टर, हरि सिंह कैरेक्टर? चलिए बताइए, एक एक करके आप ऐड करिए. यस आंचल, चलिए आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं. कैरेक्टर ऑफ हरि सिंह.
Hari Singh was a very intelligent robber. He knew how to steal from people, and thus he used to earn his bread by stealing from people. Thus, we can say that he was quite intelligent in this field and did not lack brains.
Okay. मोक्ष, नेक्स्ट आप बताइए, what else?
Hari Singh realized his mistake very soon. That robbing the people who trust him is not good. As when he robbed Anil, he came back as soon as possible and put the money back.
Okay, ठीक है. नवकिरत.
He realized the importance of education.
He realized the importance of education. Okay, good, Ria. Navkirat, what is your point of view here?
He regarded,
Yes,
he
Aanchal.
regarded the sentiments of people.
He regarded, no, it was that later in the end, we see how he regards Anil's sentiments. Yes, he was a good observer. He understood human psychology very
Then
well.
can we add that he
हाँ जी, Aanchal.
went through great character development? Can we write that he went through great character development? and
Yes,
started to regard
yes,
the
of course.
sentiments of
In the end,
people?
you will write there was a transformation in his character in the company of Anil. It was because of Anil that a great change took over him. ठीक है ना? What else we could write to the character of Hari Singh?
He can read men's faces.
Yes, he can read men's faces. So you will cite the example how he read about their faces. He understood human psychology, the way he added that it was difficult for him to rob Anil, but he could easily rob people who were greedy. So all those examples that are there, step by step, you will add that how Hari Singh, he was undergoing a transformation in the company of Anil. है ना, धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली कैसे शुरुआत करोगे, द वे ही वाज अ स्मॉल टाइम थीफ, उसका असली नाम भी वो नहीं बताता था लोगों को, ही यूज्ड टू डॉज पीपल, डॉज पुलिस, है ना, एंड किस तरह से ही वुड एस्केप आफ्टर रॉबिंग पीपल, देन किस तरह से हाउ ही अंडरस्टूड पीपल्स बिहेवियर वेरी वेल. सो साइट दोज एग्जांपल्स देयर. एंड उसके साथ साथ हरि सिंह क्लेवर भी है, कम उम्र में उसने काफी एक्सपीरियंस है लोगों को समझने का, चोरी करने का, ठीक है ना, वो स्टील करता है मनी किस तरह से लोगों से, लेकिन कभी पकड़ा नहीं जाता है, तो वो उसकी इंटेलिजेंस और क्लेवरनेस को दिखाता है. एंड देन स्टेइंग इन द कंपनी ऑफ अनिल, हाउ अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टुक ओवर हिम. सो साइटिंग दोज एग्जांपल्स की छोटी छोटी चोरियां करता रहा, बट अनिल जैसे सिंपल एंड केयरलेस इंसान को ही वाज नॉट एबल टू रॉब हिम, है ना. एंड आफ्टर ही रॉब्ड those 600 rupees from me, he could not manage to escape from that city. He could not go. His conscience actually pricked him. उसका जो विवेक था उसने उसको prick किया कि नहीं ये गलत हो रहा है. So he understood the difference between right and wrong. But it was because of the circumstances that he had taken up stealing, right? Lekin when he got an opportunity to change, we see a transformation undergoing in him, है ना? He actually decided to change himself because Anil had been so good to him कि he could not even rob Anil. उसके फेस पे जो innocence उसको महसूस होती है, the way he stayed in the company of Anil and the way he saw and understood Anil, that how he would feel sad, not because of the loss of money, but because of the trust that he would lose. He decided to change. He came back. He put the money back into the mattress, and how he decided to be a good man. Somewhere he realized the importance of education. He realized that he could lead a good, respectable, and satisfied life living with Anil. So this way you will define the character of Hari Singh. So now let's discuss about Anil, how you are going to define the character of Anil. Draw a character sketch of Anil. Let's start. Who is going to start with it?
Anil
Yes.
was very kind, simple, and young man. He used to write magazines, but had no fixed income for that.
Yes. So you will first start with the information that is provided in the story in the beginning about Anil, that he looked kind, simple, easygoing man. He was tall, lean. जब भी character sketch आता है, अगर character की description दी है, उसकी appearance के बारे में information is given, then start with that. जैसे अनिल की description क्या दी है? He was tall, lean, thin man, simple looking man, easygoing. तो जो description है हरि सिंह द्वारा दी गई, that we will add in the beginning. Then we will go for explaining किस तरह से उसकी और kindness झलकती है, उसकी patience है. Yes, let me hear from you. What else we can add? Yes, Aanchal?
Anil was quite forgiving, and he used to put a lot of trust in people, as well as his patience. He was quite patient, but though he struggled a lot in his writing career.
Yes, so he had a lot of patience as well. Hanji, good point. You can add that. Hanji, beta Dilpreet, कौन सा point आप add करना चाहोगे about Anil's character?
Anil is a kind, simple, and easygoing young man. He was tall, lean, stature, and he was not very rich and cannot offer to employ. He was the patience and goodness to not only teach Hari Singh, but also let him stay in his house.
Okay, anything else? One important part that how Hari Singh describes him
Anil-
as being careless. कि कैसे केयरलेस है, वो किस तरह से इस चीज को ऑब्जर्व करता है. यू विल ऐड देयर दैट हाउ ही वुड बोरो मनी एंड व्हेन ही वुड गेट अ गुड पेमेंट ही वुड स्पेंड इट lavishlly on his friends. He would spend the whole amount. He never thought about money, keeping money safely. He was so careless in his life, right? हाँ जी बेटा, आप क्या कह रहे थे भूमि?
Anil was a kind person. He has his human sympathy towards the Hari Singh has melted his heart and led a change in him and changed the life of Hari Singh. He although he knew that Hari Singh was a thief, but with a lot of patience, he handled the situation and showed a unconditional bond of love towards Hari Singh.
Yes, so you can add generous, large-hearted, simple, innocent, understanding. These are some of the adjectives that you can use to describe Anil, right? So, and you will cite example as you are going to write about different. Yes, Vani beta, what is your point of view? Add. आपने hand raise किया था,
Anil is
Vani? जी.
Anil was very trustworthy and he believes anyone. He also don't bothers about his money and income.
Yes, so he was gullible in nature. आसानी से किसी पर भी भरोसा कर लेता है. Good point. Yes, trustworthy भी था Anil. So you
He
can add
also
these.
promised Hari to pay him regularly.
Yes, अब उसके खुद के पास जब उसके पास इनकम आई, जब पैसे आ गए, तो he promised that he would pay Hari Singh regularly. So these are the examples that you are going to cite. उसकी generous nature कि जब उसके पास पैसा आ गया तो उसने हरि सिंह को अच्छे से पे करने का भी वादा किया, उसने उसको बीच मझधार में नहीं छोड़ा, उसने उसको वादा किया कि उसको पढ़ाएगा लिखाएगा, उसको अच्छी पेमेंट भी देगा. So that way a good points are there. So with the examples you will justify Anil's character. ठीक है ना? So patience, then large-hearted, trustworthy, understanding, generous. Every point you will add while writing the answer. Okay. Now इसके साथ साथ इस चैप्टर से आपको वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. जैसे अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन दूं आपको कि लव, ह्यूमन सिंपैथी एंड एजुकेशन कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म इवन अ थीफ, right? So how Anil brought a change in Hari Singh. So this way you can get a question. So whenever you get such kind of question which has a value based statement in it, you will first explain the value based part given in that. जैसे इसमें है दिया love, human sympathy and education can transform even a thief. So first you will introduce this part, you will explain this statement. So what you will add to this part कि हाँ कैसे love, human sympathy, education जो है क्षमता रखते हैं लोगों को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने में. लेट मी हियर फ्रॉम यू हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस दिस आंसर. Yes, Achal. What are others doing
The
better?
story presented a great
Continue.
This story presented a great example of how a person changed another one through his act of kindness and sympathy. Here, Anil was quite forgiving in the case of Hari. He knew that he used to steal bits of money from Anil, but he still chose not to surrender him to the police. And thus, Hari finally understood and realized his problem and stopped stealing from people. He went through great character development. We can find such cases in real life as well. There, although this world is quite vast and we never have a measure of how many people or what kind of people are there in the world. Thus, we can say that people like Anil and Hari do exist in this world, and there are many people who have gone through such character development like Hari has, and we can say that this is very true, that the story is quite realistic in its own way.
Yes, good answer. But still, you need to explain the value based point given. First, you can start that yes, it is because of the circumstances that man takes wrong path in the life. You know, man is the product of circumstances and environment. The way we see Hari Singh, he was just a boy of 15 years and he had to take thievery to मेंटेन हिज लाइवलीहुड, है ना. तो उसको चोरी का रास्ता अपनाना पड़ा था अपनी सर्कमस्टांसेस की वजह से. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि these people cannot undergo a transformation. Love, human sympathy and education can always bring a transformation even in a thief. And then you will explain what you have to write in the answer. So it's up to you how you explain the value based part given in the question. So with the help of the text reference, that means you will cite examples, various parts where we see where Hari Singh betrayed the trust of Anil. He kept on stealing from him, and then how Anil, he ignored the small bits of thievery done by Hari Singh, and then at the end when Hari Singh looted his money and again returned back, how he ignored that also, he just kept quiet, and how he forgave him for robbing him, for breaking his trust, and he wanted to give him another opportunity so that he can become a good man. So this way you will cite all the examples taking from the story. But you must also understand that the word limit for writing is 120 words. So don't elaborate unnecessarily. Write only those points which actually help in justifying your answer there. ठीक है? So character sketch important है, theme important है. हम इस कहानी में किस थीम को पाते हैं, किस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि ये जो कहानी है ये ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप को उजागर करती है ना. किस तरह से एक चोर जो है चोरी का रास्ता अपनाता है, चोर की एक ऑब्जर्वेशन रिगार्डिंग किस तरह से वो ग्रीडी मैन को आसानी से रॉब कर लेता है, बट ही फाइंड्स डिफिकल्टी इन रॉबिंग अ केयरलेस एंड ऑनेस्ट मैन लाइक अनिल, राइट. सो इस तरह से जो ह्यूमन सिंपैथी है, एजुकेशन है, प्यार है, वो एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ला सकता है इवन in the hearts of people who are criminal, people who are thieves. So the goodness can be rekindled in their hearts as well, the way Anil had tried to bring that goodness in हरी सिंह, ठीक है ना। सो इस तरह से थीम को समझना बहुत जरूरी है। आंसर क्वेश्चन टेक्सचुअल तो रहेंगे ही, बट यू कैन गेट सर्टेन वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर एज वेल, ठीक है। सो I think this is sufficient, and an assignment will be posted in the class group. You will do that, and tomorrow we will start with the revision, right? In the session tomorrow we will discuss the PT1 syllabus, okay?